Let's be real. Everyone always wants an edge in the market. And in this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to follow big funds and purchase stocks alongside them so you can take advantage of the big moves. But in this video specifically, we're going to use a scanner that's going to tell us when fund ownership is changing for the positive, and that way you can look at those stocks and identify where and what stocks you should invest in alongside these big funds. Okay, so to do that, we're going to use a tool called Marketsmith. All right, Marketsmith is my favorite tool, as you guys already know. If you guys want yours, the link is in the description. But we're going to use their screener criteria, and I'm going to give you guys my exact screen criteria that allows you to find these stocks that are getting pools of funds buying them. Okay, so on the Marketsmith tool right here, if you click on screeners, all right, you can go to my screens, you can create a new screen. All right, I've already created one, it's called fund growth, and I'm going to go over what information you need. All right, so I've kept it very simple because I want to be able to look at the stocks myself and make a judgment on that. Okay, so what I have here is fund percentage increase is greater than 10%, current price is above $5, and number of funds at least 200 or more. Okay, so you can add these criterias along on the left side here, right? So for example, shares and holdings, you can see that's where fund percentage increases in number of funds, and current price. Obviously you can do price and volume to figure that out. Lots of different filters you could do, but this is what I've done. Okay, so it provides you a list of stocks right here. Okay, obviously the first one on the list is NextGen Energy. All right, NextGen Energy from December 23rd to March 2024. Like I said, March is when we get an update on these funds ownerships. It's increased from 227 to 250. So funds are definitely buying this. This is something that you might want to keep on watch, right? ARDX is the next one, right? From 248 to 268. Let's keep going down the list. NXT. Wow. So NXT here, interesting this one, because it's gone from prices pulling back from 60 all the way back down to the 50 area, right? But look at what's happening here. 493 to March, which was 747. So lots of funds pouring in here on this pullback here. So something's definitely going on here. Maybe something you guys want to investigate and digest and see what's happening. Right, so taking a look at some of the earnings here, the last change seemed to be a little bit of a disappointment, but funds are still pouring in here, right? 500 versus 747 in March. All right, so I would have a notepad next to my screen. I'll put in the NXT, and then maybe I can do some more research on that as well. All right, so ALPN, this one from 240 to 268. You can see it's already taken off here and broke that 50 level as well. All right, let's look at the earnings. Not the best, but you can see this is exploding here with more than average volume. It says largest volume since base, right? So it gives you all this information. Definitely something I want to keep an eye on, considering how explosive this has been on this weekly chart as well. All right, we'll keep going down the list here so you guys can see 478 to 591. And this is Corebridge Financial. So coming back into support here, you can see MarketSurge actually gave you the pivot here to enter with your profit target right there, which it's already hit as well. So that's another great thing. VKTX, this is an interesting one because I've seen this come across my scans for a few days now, and it's flagging nicely on the weekly. Funds are still here. They've started pouring in since December 2022, which is right down here off the bottom, but still funds are here. They're not eliminating, they're not getting out. And this is a bio stock that's actually doing pretty good so far. And then ALPN, take a look at this, 565 to 676. They're coming in here. They're loading this up on the way up here. So are we going to possibly see 110 or hit that 100 level? Currently sitting at around 75.57. Definitely another good one. All right, IoT, this one funds are pouring in as well. Vera, this one looks good. Looks like it's breaking out of that 50 level here shortly. Nice strong week, and if it breaks over 50, definitely looks like it's got room. So that's another one. And then Scava, another interesting one here. So as you can see, guys, the list is is quite big. It's got 24 stocks that could potentially be something that you might be able to invest in the short term and make some money with it. All right, so I hope you guys did find value in this video. Nice and quick, just really giving you the systems and the search criteria I use to find these funds that are pouring in. That way I can bring it to my attention, put it on a side watch list. I can look at it, look for entries, and possibly get in and ride the wave with them. Because if all these funds are buying it, you know, why can't I, or why shouldn't I? I should do a little bit more research and see maybe that's the stock I want to buy. All right. Hope you guys did find value in this. Smash that like button, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.